Hello dear students. Yesterday we have discussed 5 characteristics of living organism. So today we are going to discuss next 4 characteristics of living organisms, that are excretion, reproduction, response to stimuli and definite lifespan. So are you ready? Let's start. Excretion. As all living organisms eat, respire, grow and develop and carry out various processes of the body, they also produce certain unwanted or wasteful substance from the body. So what is excretion? It is a process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from the body of the organism. Now, why there is a need of excretion? The process of excretion, it helps to remove the waste product from the body. Now, what is the need of the excretion? The process of excretion helps to remove the waste product from the body. If excretion will not be there, then it will cause poison in our body and it falls and very bad effect to the important processes in our body. For example, digestion. Okay, if excretion will not be there, then there will be problem in the digestive system of our body. Okay, next are the, what are the excretory products in the human body? Excretory products कौन से हैं human body में? First one is urea, that is excreted through the urine. Second one is carbon dioxide, that you give out during exhalation. Okay, and last one is sweat. Excess of salt and water in our body is removed in the form of the sweat. So these all are the excretory products in the human body. Okay, next is, do you know plants also excrete? Yes, excretion also occurs in plant. Plant also release carbon dioxide and excess water through the stomata present on their leaves and stem. That we have discussed in last video lesson, that they also release carbon dioxide and excess fat through the stomata as well. Okay. So, and another waste product the plants produce is latex, and this latex is very useful to a man in the manufacture of the rubber products. Getting? And resin and gum, these are also the plants excretory product. ठीक है, latex का किस में यूज होता है? रबड़ को बनाने में. And resin and gum, they are used by the human for making adhesives and varnishes. Next is, and if we compare the excretion process with non-living things and living things, non-living things do not perform the process of the excretion. Okay, they do not excrete. So this is all about the excretion. It is a process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from our body. Okay, next is reproduction. Now what is reproduction? All the living organism reproduce. मतलब क्या होता है इसका? That is they produce new organism of their own kind. ठीक है, न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म को रिप्रोड्यूस करना और उन्हीं की तरह का, जैसे उनके पेरेंट्स है वैसे ही उनका क्या होगा आगे, यंग वंस, और वी कैन से दैट ऑफस्प्रिंग. सो इट इज द process, it is a biological process by which an organism reproduce an offspring, matlab young ones, who is biological similar to the organism, as you can see from the image also. Okay, they are the these are the offspring. Okay, so they are totally similar to their parent, as you can see yourself also. आपका भी जो फेस होता है, आपकी जो बॉडी टेक्सचर होता है, आपका भी जो फेस होता है, दैट इज क्वाइट मच सिमिलर टू योर पेरेंट्स, isn't? Okay, and reproduction enable and ensure the continuity of species generation after generation. Okay, so and reproduction is important for the survival of all living organisms. अगर reproduction ही नहीं होएगा तो population कैसे increase होएगी? So it is very important for the survival of all living organisms. Okay, then only species will be continue. And in next topic we will discuss about the species as well. Next is, some organism also reproduce through their eggs. Okay, जैसे एनिमल्स हैं, एनिमल्स गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस, फॉर एग्जांपल डॉग गिव बर्थ टू द पपीज, cat to kittens and so on. Okay, they produce their young ones, but some organism reproduce through eggs also. वह उसमें क्या होता है, they lay eggs, eggs lay करते हैं and after that their young one hatch from the eggs. Okay, example birds, fishes, frog, snake, these all are, these all lay eggs and their young one are hatched from these eggs. Okay, one exception is there, whales. Here fishes are there, aquatic, and these are aquatic animals and they hatch from the eggs, they reproduce through their eggs. But whale is also a sea animal that do not lay eggs, they give birth to the young ones. Now let us talk about the reproduction in plants. Most plants reproduction through seeds. Okay, their seeds, when sown in soil, produce a new plant of same species. For example, pomegranate, watermelon, mango, papaya. They produce seeds inside their fruit. Okay, firstly, these seeds are sown in the soil. Then after that, they become young plant. Later on, as you can see from this picture, young plant become mature plant. Later on, flowers grow to this plant and after that we get fruit. Again from fruit there are seeds, then again this process, this cycle will continues. And what about non-living organisms? Non-living things do not reproduce. Okay, next is lifespan. Now what is lifespan, students? Simple, the number of years an organism live. कितने टाइम तक कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म जिंदा रह सकता है, वही उसका क्या होता है, लाइफ स्पैन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउस फ्लाई का लाइफ स्पैन क्या होता है, अप्रोक्सीमेट 1 मंथ. पोलर बियर 42 ईयर्स, चिंपैंजी 59 ईयर्स, माउस 2 ईयर्स, डॉग 14 ईयर्स एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो ईच ऑर्गेनिज्म लिव्स फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, कुछ टाइम तक ही वो जिंदा रह सकता है, तो वो वही उसका क्या है, दिस इज नोन एज द लाइफ स्पैन. नेक्स्ट इज रिस्पॉन्ड टू स्टिमुली. दिस इज also one of the important characteristic of living organism. Response to stimuli. Now tell me one thing, what happen when you touch a hot pan? जब आप hot pan को touch करते हो तो क्या होता है, the hot pan trigger an instant reaction in you. एक reaction create होता है ना आप में, क्या reaction create होता है कि आप अपना हाथ एकदम पीछे ले जाते है ना, so this is the reaction. Okay, you immediately withdraw your hands. ठीक है, so anything that trigger a reaction, trigger मतलब brings a reaction, कुछ भी जिसने आपके अंदर एक रिएक्शन क्रिएट किया, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, स्टिमुलस. एनीथिंग दैट ट्रिगर ए रिएक्शन इन यू, सो दिस इज नोन एज द स्टिमुलस. ओके, नाउ जो हमारा रिएक्शन है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज द रिस्पॉन्स. आपने हॉट पैन को टच किया तो ये हॉट पैन क्या है, यहाँ पर एक स्टिमुलस है, आपको स्टिमुलस मिला आपकी स्किन को. ओके, देन यू विथड्रॉ योर हैंड्स, आपने अपना हैंड एकदम से पीछे कर लिया. सो व्हाट इज दिस, this is known as the response. This is known as the response. All living organisms respond to stimuli and non-living things, they do not respond to stimuli. And do you know, we often perceive such changes in the environment with the help of our sense organ. Okay, like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. ठीक है. Now next is respond to stimuli in plants. Plants also respond to stimuli. How? In the topic of movement, we have discussed about the Mimosa pudica plant, that is touch me not, isn't? So what happens? It also responds to stimuli. How? When you touch the leaves of this plant, it droop its leaves. Yes or no? It's drop its leaf, na? So this property is known as the response to stimuli. Okay, now there are two terms are there, phototropism and geotropism. Phototropism होता है growth of plant stem towards light. जिस साइड उसको लाइट मिलेगी वो उसी साइड उसकी प्लांट्स क्या करेंगी, उसकी स्टेम्स क्या करेंगी, ग्रो करेंगी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज जियोट्रोपिज्म. जियो, ग्रोथ ऑफ रूट्स टुवर्ड्स ग्रेविटी. ओके, एंड रूट्स की कहां पर होगी, रूट्स की ग्रोथ कहां होगी, towards the ground, towards the gravity. It will be away from the source of light. Okay, phototropism, photo means light, तो जहां पर लाइट की डायरेक्शन है वहीं पर ही उसके प्लांट के स्टेम की ग्रोथ होगी, ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट स्टेम टुवर्ड्स द लाइट. एंड जियोट्रोपिज्म, ग्रोथ ऑफ रूट्स टुवर्ड्स द ग्रेविटी, मतलब डाउनवर्ड्स. अब रूट्स है तो वो डाउनवर्ड्स ही ग्रो होंगी ना, ग्रोथ ऑफ रूट्स टुवर्ड्स द ग्रेविटी. ठीक है. सो इन फर्स्ट केस हियर लाइट इज द स्टिमुलस, तो यहाँ पर स्टिमुलस क्या हुआ, लाइट स्टिमुलस है. एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ द स्टेम टुवर्ड्स द लाइट, इट इज नोन एज द रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, नाउ स्टेम्स आर पॉजिटिव फोटोट्रॉफिक बट नेगेटिव जियोट्रॉफिक. क्योंकि जो स्टेम है वो तो सनलाइट, फोटो मीन्स लाइट, तो वो लाइट की तरफ बेंड होंगे ना, ग्रो होंगे, तो ये पॉजिटिव फोटोट्रॉफिक शो करते हैं, बट जियोट्रॉफिक नेगेटिव होता है इसमें. बट जो रूट्स हैं वो पॉजिटिव जियोट्रॉफिक शो करते हैं, नेगेटिव फोटोट्रॉफिक. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुली इन प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट इज स्पीशीज. नाउ व्हाट आर स्पीशीज? Species is a group of similar looking organisms that are capable of reproducing with each other to produce young ones. Species क्या है? Similar looking organisms का group है that they are capable of reproducing with each other, okay, to produce the young ones. For example, you can see here the some human beings are there. देखो, some human beings have black hair, some have white hair. Okay, some are dark, some are light, but क्या इनकी species क्या है? They are human beings. इनकी species क्या है? Human beings. Okay, there are various categories of human beings are there, but एक ही species है इनकी human being. और इस साइड देखिए आप, at the right side cat is there. Different type of cats are there. Okay, some cats have lines on their body, some cats have patches on the body. Okay, so what are these? These are the, but these all are one species. So there is one species human being and one species cat. They are different species. Okay, these cats can reproduce with each other, and these living organism that are human beings reproduce with each other. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना that one human being and one cat can reproduce with each other. No. So species is a group of similar looking organism that are capable of reproducing with each other to produce the young ones. Another example I can give you, for example, an elephant that is different from the lion, and lion which is different from the dog. है तो दोनों ही animals ना, they both are animals, but इनकी species अलग अलग है. Okay, so this is all about the species. Okay, so students, it is all about our chapter, the living things and non-living things. Do try to solve the assessment zone and track your progress, and we will again meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.